Okay, so from the last time I had to buy a new type of screws. The diameter is the same. It's 5 millimeters, but problem is with the length. The old one was only 12 millimeters length, and this was the problem because when you was testing like this, everything works on the slide, but when you try to catch it through this 5 millimeters part, so you just stuck near the screw and you wasn't able to get into the nut. So I was bought the screws with the length 60 millimeters. It's a 4 millimeter longer and they are fine. I made this off camera. This part works, so we can continue. The easiest way I found, it's just put this inside, tap, put other one and do it again. Why? Because this way you clean up these printed parts and shapes, because the print is not every time perfect and you can have troubles. So this aluminum profile you can use like some cutting correcting tool, and you don't have to think about it too much, and you will save many hours of cleaning the when you see one side works fine, one side is problematic. Why? Because the other side was on the pad when this part was printed. You can see this one is perfectly flat, sticking with the pad. Other one is top one, which was printed this way, like this. So when we have it, the some hack or helping shirt side on the length, longer side on the short side. So like this. I will screw some bolts inside. Now I have full screw up the bolt. When you compare it with this one, so you can see the huge difference, and you still the ends are the same, but you can still reach the edge of the mounted part. So I can unscrew it when I'm holding it and finish with the rest. Okay, we have prepared one side. Maybe the questions: why some bolts are easy to screw up into the nut, why some didn't. Whole problem is that this is the plastic and the nut, it's not perfectly pressed inside and holding line like a cut thread into the metal. So when the nut is a little bit turning to the side, so when the bolt hit the nut, it's not perfectly in this position, but it's a little bit slided. So the threads are moved with little bit gently force. You are aligned the nut inside the plastic, and you can screw it very easily this way. First things you have to do, or first thing, it's put these two inside, and we will help to align like this. You can go through, put this and move. You can do it other way, that you will mount the holders like this and slide it inside, but I prefer this way for me. So I just check this, I again align the other, one, and okay, is it? I will slide it that way a little bit because I have to have space here. So I'll try to align these two outer and get it into the rails. Okay. First row, just with the wiggling and turning, you put it inside. Then align the other two, and do it again. You'll need a little bit experience and patience. So great, we have. Then return back to the same procedure I told you before. Washer, bolts, and can tie it up. Then you return back to the side and wait. Here this way.